Hi students, now today we will start with the exercise 2.7, exercise 2.7, last exercise of the chapter number 2. First question, find 0.4 divided by 2. Here the sign is given of division. In 2.6 exercise we have multiplied and here they have given the division. 0.4 divided by 2 we have to do. So only the one method which I will follow, and you have to follow that method, and it will be very simple to solve it. You can see that 0.4 divided by 2 is a question. So we will remove this decimal point, and decimal before decimal point there is a 0, so we will write as it is a 4, and after a decimal point we are having only one digit, that is 4. So for that 4 upon 10 we will write. 0.4 will become 4 upon 10, as after a decimal point only one digit is there, so we have to take after 1, you have to take the 0, and you can write 0.4 in place of 0.4. We can write in a fraction, that is 4 upon 10 divided by 2 they have told, and the denominator is not given, so we can take 1 as in the law. 2 upon 1 we will take. As there is a given a division 4 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1, we will reciprocal this and we will convert it into a multiplication. This division, all the division sums will be converted into a multiplication. So 4 upon 10 multiplied by 2 upon 1, in place of 2 upon 1 it will be reciprocal 1 upon 2. 4 1 ja 4, 10 2 ja 20. So 4 upon 20, we can simplify this, both are coming in 2's table. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 10 ja 4. 2 upon 10 we have got. After simplifying 2 upon 10, we can divide this 10 2 by 10. So 2, we are putting a 0, 0 point, and 10 2 ja 20. So after dividing 2 by 10, we get 0.2 as our final answer. Now we can move with the question number 1. Question number 1, first sum we have solved, and now second sum. 0.35 divided by 5. 0.35, same way 35 we will take. After decimal point, here it is two digits are there, so after 1 we will take 100. After 1 we will take 20. That means 0.35 will become as 35 upon 10. 35 after decimal 2 digits, after 1 we are putting 20. So 35 upon 100 divided by 5 upon 1. Now as we are changing the sign of division from division to multiplication, we have to do the reciprocal of next fraction. This 5 upon 1 will become 1 upon 5. Now 35 1 ja 35, 100 5 ja 500. As we can simplify this both number are divided by, we can divide it by 5 similar number. So 5 7 ja 35 and 500 ja 500. So last fraction is remaining, it is 7 upon 100. So after dividing 100, 7 by 100, we are getting 0.07. The final answer is 0.07 after dividing 7 by 100. We will move to question number 2 in exercise 2.7. Question number 2 is find. Question first is 4.8 divided by 10. Same division, we have to do it. 4.8 will be converted into 48. After the points we are having one digit, so we will take a 10. It is after 1 we will take 0. So 4.8 is converted into a 48 upon 10 divided by 10 upon 1, as we know. So we will change the sign of division as we have done it in last question also. So 48 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 1 will be reciprocal by 1 upon 10. So 48 1 ja 48, 10 10 ja 100. So the fraction remaining is 48 upon 100. After dividing 48 by 100, we get 0.48. So the final answer for 4.8 divided by 10 is 0.48. Now we can move to question number 2, second of 2, that is 52.5 divided by 10. Same method we will apply. 52.5 will be converted, decimal points will be removed, and it will be known as 525. After decimal point one digit, so we will take a 10. So 52.5 converted into 552 upon 10. divided by 10 upon 1. We will change the sign of division from multiplication, and here we will put a denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator. As always, there is a rules. So 10 upon 1 will become 1 upon 10. 425 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 10 is a fraction. 525 multiplied by 1 is 525. 10 10 ja 100. So 525, after dividing with the help of 100, we get 5.25. So your final answer is 5.25 after dividing 52.5 by 10. After question number 2, this is question number 3. Find 2.7 divided by 100. 2.7 divided by 100. So 2.7, after the points we are having one digit, so we will take a 10, that is 2.7 will become 27 upon 10. It will be converted divided by 100 upon 1. Now we are changing the sign of division, multiplication. In place of division we will take multiplication, that is 27 upon 10 multiplied by 100 upon 1 will be reciprocal and it will become 1 upon 100. 27 1 ja 27, 100 10 ja 1000. Final fraction is 27 upon 1000. After dividing 27 by 1000, we will get 0.027. 0.027 after dividing 27 by 1000. So 2.7 divided by 100, the final answer is 0.027. Now question number 2. In third question, we will move 0.3 divided by 100. 0.3 divided by 100. So we will take 3 as a 3, and after a decimal point only one digit, so we will take 10. So 0.3 will be converted into 3 upon 10 divided by 100 upon 1. This division sign will be converted into multiply. 100 upon 1 will become 1 upon 100. So 3 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 100. 3 1 ja 3, 100 10 ja 1000. Final fraction is 3 upon 1000, and after dividing 3 by 1000, we get 0.003. So the final answer of division of 0.3 divided by 100 is 0.003 after the dividing finally both the numbers. After third question, question number 4, we will move. Question number 4, find same first question, 7.9 divided by 1000. We have already divided a number, decimal number with a 10, 100. Now we will move for the 1000. 7.9 divided by 1000. 7.9 will be converted into 79 upon 10, because after a decimal point one digit, so we will take a 0, 1 0. So 7.9 is converted into 79 upon 10 divided by 1000 upon 1. Now the next step is to change the sign of division into a multiplication. So 79 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 1000. 1000 will come in denominator and 1 will become a numerator. It will reciprocal. So 79 1 ja 79, 1000 10 ja 10,000. So after dividing a 79 by 10,000, if we take, see here how we are divided by 79 by 10,000, we take 1 0 0 point, then also it is not possible to divide, so we will take a 0 another, here also 0. 7,900 is also not possible, another 0 we have taken, here also we have to put a 0, so it becomes a 79,000. So 10,000 7 ja 70,000. After the minus we get 9,000, and we will put a 0 and it becomes a 90,000. So 10,000 9 ja 90,000. After subtracting both, we get a 0 remainder, and final answer is 0.0079. So dividing 7.9 by 1000, we get 0.0079. Question number 4, first sum. After first sum, second sum we will solve now. Student, look carefully. 26.3 divided by 1000 is given. We will convert this 26.3 into 263. After decimal point one digit, we will take a 10. So 26.3 is converted into 263 upon 10 divided by 1000 upon 1. Now this division, next step is for the division to change into a multiplication. 1000 upon 1 will become 1 upon 1000. 263 1 ja 263, 1000 10 ja 10,000. So after dividing 263 by 10,000, we get this final answer, and final answer is 0.0263. After dividing 263 with the help of 10,000, we get 0.0263 is the final answer of division of 26.3 by 10,000. Oh, sorry, by 1,000. We have got to the last question of a question number exercise 2.7, question number 5. Find 7 divided by 3.5. 7 divided by 3.5. So we will take 7 upon 1, as we don't have a denominator here upon 7. So we will take a 1 as a rule. 7 upon 1 divided by 3.5 converted into 35 upon 10. 3.5 becomes 35 upon 10 after removing the decimal point. So 7 upon 1 divided by 35 upon 10. 7 upon 1 will remain same. Division will be converted into multiply. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So 7 upon 1 multiply by 10 upon 35. 7 10 ja 70, 35 1 ja 35. So after dividing a 70 by a 35, 35 2 ja 70 we get. Final answer of 7 divided by 3.5 is 2. 35 2 ja 70. So final answer is 2. Question number 5. Second question, we will move, student. 36 divided by 0.2. 36 upon 1 we will take, as the denominator is not there, we have to take 1 as a rules, as already we have discussed before. Division 0.2, that is only 2 we will take, and after a decimal point only one digit is there, so 2 upon 10 we will take. After one digit we will take a 1 0, that is 0.2 will become 2 upon 10 after removing a decimal point. Now the next step, making a fraction. After fraction, the next step is converting a division into a multiplication. 36 upon 1 will remain same, multiply sign we will put, 2 upon 10 will become 10 upon 2. 36 10 ja 360, 2 1 ja 2, so we have to divide 360 by 2. As you can see, 360 by 2, after dividing 2 1 ja 2, one remainder 6 up we have taken, and it becomes 16. So 2 8 ja 16, and 0 is the final remainder. We will take a 0 as here also. So final answer after dividing 360 by 2, we get 180. So 180 is the answer of 36 divided by 0.2. Thank you, students, and from with this our chapter number 2 is over, and I am sending you the assignment work. You have to solve it in your notebook. Thank you.